Your surgeon gave you your surgery date, but they did not give you this. This is your recovery in a bag, literally. The surgeon can only do so much, but your recovery is really what determines your results. Come check this out. We have this beautiful bag that's travel safe. You can take it with you everywhere you go, and it fits everything inside. You have this beautiful step-by-step instruction manual. This is going to show you how to use everything in the bag, for how long, and give you some motivation too. You have this mesh bag. This mesh bag is going to give you the ability to wash your faja safely right inside of here. Your abdominal recovery is super important. You want to keep it super flat using this front board, but also you want this back board. Both of them together are going to keep you super flat, keep that nice beautiful back arch, and help your healing process. The foams are going to be used directly on top of your skin, underneath those boards. You have silicone scar sheets. This is going to protect that incision as you're healing underneath your faja. The silicone scar tape goes directly on top of the incision to help protect it and keep it closed. Water bottle for hydration. Towelettes so that you can keep yourself clean right after surgery, because you cannot take a shower. You have disposable underwear. So after you clean yourself up, put on some fresh underwear and toss them out when you're done. You have compression socks. This is going to help keep that pressure on your legs so that you're not forming any blood clots and you're helping that blood circulation. We have some extra wipes, keep yourself clean. Inflatable pillows. 2 comes in this pack. You have a body pillow, and then you also have a BBL pillow. Super important to protect that bottom, especially if you got a BBL. You have easy access to go pee. You unzip, place this urinal, and go. Protective pads for your mattress, whether it's your mattress, the Airbnb, recovery home, wherever you're staying during your recovery, you want to protect the mattress from all of that bodily fluid you're going to be releasing. Comfort in a bag, literally, and you can put it on and go. This is going to be a super beautiful plush gray robe that you can put on right after recovery. You have an extendable back scratcher. This is going to be super helpful because you're going to be very itchy. You have this hot and cold pressure band. This is going to help with that swelling. This is going to give you that heat and cold. Not at the same time, because you don't want to use it at the same time, but you have the option. Now I understand why they asked for all of this. We listened and we put it all in one bag.